Hi everyone, good morning. Let's get started. Yeah. Hi everybody, good morning. Thank you so much for joining the demo session. So let me introduce myself. Myself, Ram Reddy. I'm having 10 years of experience on this Oracle Fusion Financials technology. So I'm working as a project manager in one of the MNC company. And so in this Oracle Fusion Financials, we are going to train you for the 3 months in the basic to fundamentals to your SME level, subject matter expert. So, so first of all, I will explain about the market and demand about this Oracle Fusion Financial. Then, first of all, what is Oracle Fusion Financials? Where we are using this technology in the outside, right? So we are using this Oracle Fusion Financials in the ERP application, ERP accounting application. So it's a purely 100% IT consultant job. So in the market, we have so many ERP applications available. Similarly, see, every company how to maintain their books of accounts, right? So it should be in the accounting software. Then only they will easily prepare their income and expenditure account to maintain their books of accounts. So they can go to any accounting software. So we have Tally, SAP, JD Edwards, and other etc. software applications available. So out of all, our Oracle ERP Fusion application is one of the top accounting ERP. Okay, so it is maintaining by many of our clients, domestic clients and foreign clients. Domestic clients, if you take Apollo Hospital are maintaining, Zomato maintaining, and the Sri Chitra and education institutions, right? Many of our Indian clients also moving to Oracle Fusion application, and recently our TTD also having this implemented Oracle Fusion application. So what they are doing is, so they will purchase this Oracle Fusion financial product from the Oracle company. Okay. Then they will recruit us as a consultant, as an IT consultant. So we are going to work as a IT consultant to the clients. Okay. Like we are going to understand the client requirement and we'll maintain some uh, uh, documents as per the requirements. Then we will configure the application as per the client requirement, and we will give some demos to the client, like how the application is going to work and all as per the requirement. So this kind of process we are going to follow in the implementation project, part of new fresh implementation with the client. And this product is having very good demand in the market. If you see many of top MNC companies going to act as a consulting companies. Consulting companies means like they will have the clients like a GE client will be there. So GE client will give the project to the Deloitte, TCS, okay, Accenture companies. So these companies will recruit us. Okay, these companies will recruit us as a finance functional consultant from the Oracle ERP application, and they will place into the client for the GE. So we are going to work as a GE. GE for GE client, we are going to work as a contractor, but these companies we are going to work as a permanent employees. So work will be provided by the GE client. Okay, but salary will be provided by these either TCS, Deloitte, or Accenture. Like that, we are going to work most of the cases. Sometimes we will get opportunities work in a product based company also. Like if you take Apollo, so Apollo is not a consulting company; it's a product based. So they are purchasing the product. They are recruiting you to work with their product to implement the financials, Oracle applications. Okay, so this kind of recruitment will happen in the open market. And packages wise, we have very good packages. So if you have a minimum 4 years of experience, you can expect a minimum 12 to 15 lakhs package. Usually, when you have 1 year of experience equal to 3 lakhs package, like that, we have to calculate the demand in the market. So you can search in the Naukri or LinkedIn, wherever you have the options. You will get to know the demand and the package demand, market demand, and growth wise also. Whether next to 10 years or 15 years growth will be there or not, you can check it out in the Google, your chat GPT and AI as well. And many of the students are asking about whether we have any AI impact will be on this application or not. So the answer will be no, slightly, little bit yes. Yes, in the case where the AI features will be added to our ERP application as well, but it will reduce the work of end users, not our IT consultant. Means, so we are developed this application, Oracle ERP Fusion Financials, and this application is going to use by business end users. End users means accountants. Accountants, what they will do, they will record their purchase invoices when they are buying something for the organization, and they will record their sales invoices if they sell something, if they sold something to the customers. So, and they will record day-to-day transactions. So they will maintain some people. Okay, it's like a payables team, sales team, right? And journals, GL team, reconciliation team, etc. And they will maintain the team members. Like each team have minimum 5 to 10 members to process their organization invoices, sales invoice, purchase invoice, reconciliation, etc. So after AI features added, so the count of the employees will going to reduce since AI agent will make the process simplify, automatic. So it is impacting on end user's job, not our consultant job. Since our job is focused on taking the requirement, understand the business process, accordingly, we have to develop the application that AI will not able to do. Okay. So that's the reason we don't have much impact, 90% no impact on our IT consultant job, especially on Oracle Financials. Okay. So no need to worry about AI. Since so far we have only less features, those are impacted on end user's job. Like earlier, if you are running the application for accounts payable module by end users with count of 10, now you can maintain with a count of 8. But that is also cost effective. AI also cost effective. Most of the clients now, as per the review, right, they are putting more cost on the AI rather than putting on the employees recruitment. So they are also realized we can maintain the employees rather than putting cost on AI. So that is also happening. So nothing to worry about it. So we can have a very good feature in the Oracle Fusion application. So let's go into depth and understand what are the things we are going to learn in the Oracle Fusion Financials. Okay. So far, if you have any questions, please call me out. Well, fine. So in the Oracle Fusion Financials, we have a modules like general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed asset, cash management. So all these are core financial modules we are going to learn. So all these five modules we are going to teach you from starting scratch to the SME, subject matter expert. Okay. So we are going to teach you all these five financial modules along with real-time examples, interview questions, and real-time projects also we will do during this 3 months duration. First, 2 months duration will be configuration phase, like implementation phase. Later, we will coming into our real-time implementation project of phases like documentation, how you will do, and how you will connect with your clients. Everything we are going to discuss in the last 1 month phase. So last 1 month totally a real-time implementation and support projects, how we can handle after joining into organization, how you need to manage yourself, especially. Okay, if you got some requirement, how you are going to check that requirement, how you need to develop the functionality, how you are going to test it out, right? How you are going to connect with the client, how you can connect with your team and all. Everything we are going to discuss and explain in details in the last 1 month session. Okay, first 2 months will be focused on the configurations of all these five financial modules with all the topics. So in the general ledger, what business users is going to do and what is our job, what kind of journals they are going to create, what type of journals we have, and what are the month end process they are follow, and what are the reports they are following, right? What are the usual queries coming from the end users, everything we are going to discuss. And if you take accounts payable module, what we are going to do in the accounts payable, like if the client is purchasing something, so they are going to record as a purchase invoice. So how many ways we can record the purchase invoice? Is there any automation? What are the functionalities we have? What are the configurations we have? Then how we can make a payment to the client by using this ERP application, since we have purchased something from the supplier that way, right? So how, if you make a payment from this ERP application, how it is go to the bank as an instruction, then bank how it is making payment. So are we sending some payment file details to the banking team from our ERP application, how it is going and what approach we have to follow? Is there any integrations? Do we have any other integration people to connect? Since we are a functional consultant, we are not involved to learn any coding related things. So coding is not applicable to us since we have a technical consultants in the project. We are only finance functional consultant. Okay, so no coding, nothing, it will be applicable to our job, right? So these are all the process we have to understand, right? How the application is working in and out with upstream and downstreams. So like upstreams means like we have a bank. Every organization will make payments from their bank accounts. But if you are maintaining ERP application, you are recording all the transactions here. So you will have some integration between your ERP Oracle Fusion Financials with the banking, right? So by using that integration, we'll send that file to the bank and the bank will receive the file and make the payment to the suppliers. Same way, we will receive a bank statements also in our cash management module. Like bank statement, if you're having a saving or current bank account, most of the companies will have current bank accounts. Even if you have a saving bank account, you will get some statements if you get notified through your emails. Okay, that bank account same as it is for the company's bank account also same transactions we can see. But what we are going to do in this application, so whatever the transactions you have initiated from the payables or receivables, part of purchases or sales, so those instructions we used to send to the bank will do the payments or receive the payments. those will print in the bank statement. So what we are going to do is, not we means the end user's job. So they will receive the bank statement in the cash management and they will do the systematic reconciliation. Reconciliation means bank statement line with our system transaction. Like if you made a payment in the application, that should be shown in the bank statement. That way, we will be 100% sure that payment is made. So that kind of reconciliation business will do. So that is part of cash management reconciliation. Okay, so next a fixed asset module we have. Like a fixed assets module, what we are going to do is, if company is having any asset, is it current asset or fixed asset? If the example, like if a company or organization will have any land and building or plant and machinery or any cars or any electronic items if they buy, right? If those, we can call it as assets, and those will have some life. Okay, so life of the asset will be going to reduce day by day. So the cost of the any asset also will reduce. How it is reducing? As per the market value and the life of the asset. So all those details we are going to maintain in the assets module. So that process concept, we can call it as depreciation, since the cost of the asset is going to reduce. How we are going to calculate the depreciation, how the cost is reducing, everything we are going to discuss in the fixed assets module. And we have other areas also apart from these are financial modules like GL, APR, FACM. We have procurement, supply chain management, okay, HRMS and all. These are all the other products from the Oracle Fusion Financials, but these products will be maintained by SCM consultants separately, procurement consultant and HCM consultants. Like our scope of job should be restricted to only these financial modules, but sometimes whenever it is needed, we have to connect with them also, depending on the situation. But we are using our financial modules knowledge only. But sometimes they will contact us or we need to contact them. It depends on the scenario, since there should be a little connections between our SCM to finance and procurement to finance. So you will get to know when I'm going to teach you about accounts payable module and accounts receivable module in depth. The invoice processing from the purchase orders and sales order respectively. So that way we have to collaborate with other streams as well. And along with this, if the client is maintaining some other third-party systems means other than ERP application, if they have, like if they are maintaining some data, so that time also they used to send or receive the data from ERP to other systems. So there also will have some data integrations. With the data integrations, we'll receive the data or send the data to our core GL module. Our scope of job will be, we have to check the data is coming properly or not. And if you are involved in the implementation, then you need to call out if any data related templates, the source and target related feeds and all that we can show you in the part of implementation cycle, you will get understand. So this is our total core job as a finance functional consultant. We are not going to involve any integrations or any technicalities. So no coding, nothing. We are going to use only our finance functional knowledge purely. Our scope of module will be GL, APR, FACM, and the duration will be 3 months. I'm going to start from 22nd June, the morning batch, 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. So depending on your time slot, you can join and you can attend first 1 week of classes at a free of cost. Then later you can think and decide. Yeah, that's all my end. If anyone have any questions, please let me know. And you can ask me your questions in your local language as well, in Telugu also. And after the class, we'll record the session and upload into the drive. We can give the access as well. If you are missing any day class, you can revisit and recheck.
Sir, morning 7:30 to 8:30 is one batch. So another batch is 10 to 11, right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
And if you want to visit our institute, you can always welcome, and so we have open 9 a.m. to evening 10 p.m. In the institute, we have experienced people also sitting in the institute, and they used to work. So you will get more exposure if you want to come.
Okay, sir. Last month I met, sir. It is very good, sir. Minister.
Good to know. Thank you, Andy.
Sir, some students are preparing, sir. I have seen.
Yeah, some students are preparing, and some students are doing job also
Okay,
on the
okay, sir.
same.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So if you have a bandwidth, if you want to know more real time, you are welcome to institute, Andy, anytime.
Okay.
So you'll get more exposure and you will increase your community people also. You'll connect.
Okay, sir.
And we also be available always in the institute. And the interview point of view, we can give the best and always. Since we are attending the interviews for the students helping, so we know what topics they are going to ask. Most of the cases, 80 to 90%. Only 20% of cases, questions will come in a real-time scenario based, but that will be different. But 80% of the cases we will cover in the classes itself. Interview question and answers, important activities, important process, right? Everything we will cover in our day-to-day classes and we will highlight. So you can maintain one running notes and okay, for your preparation purpose. It will be very useful to you guys. And whatever the AI features also introduced, we will also cover the same in the sessions. Okay, nothing to worry. We will cover each and everything. So that will be, we will taken care. What are all the topics we need to cover from each module with respect to the clients? Basically, what client is expecting from us. Suppose if you learn something here, like configuration you learn, but later they have given option to work on something else. So whether you are capable or not, that kind of confidence we can give. Can someone please go on mute?
నేను గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్ కూడా వచ్చాను నా ఆయన చదివేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళు కూడా 8 వరకు పెట్టుకోగలిగారు మీ బ్రాంచ్లన్నీ నాకు తెలిసి కొన్ని చాలా వాళ్ళే కదా వాళ్ళు కూడా 8 వరకు పెట్టుకునేవారు కళలకి వాళ్ళంతా మళ్ళీ ఏంటి బాయ్స్ ఆనే పడుకుంటారు అంటే వాళ్ళ
What I'm trying to say,
Hi.
yeah.
Can we get the instance for the practice?
Yeah, of course, you can get the instance at free of cost. It is included in the course fee itself. So we will share the URL, user ID and password you can use to daily practice.
Oh.
Okay, and additionally, we are going to cover EA and the reports kind of OTBA, FRS, where our scope of job is extending nowadays. Okay, suppose the client want to work on FRS reports, so you need a FRS report knowledge as well. That is sometimes will happen. Okay, but most of the times we will work on the configuration implementation cycle or support cycle. But sometimes it is needed. Nowadays, they're calling out to work on OTBA and FRS reports. That is very easy only. We will use our functional knowledge to work on those reports. So no need of technical knowledge. So those are the advanced topics wherever it is really needed. So depending on client requirement, we have to, work on those things as well. So I will cover those things also. But usually in the market, only implementation related configurations only covering. But I am specially covering here is AI related stuff and the reports related also.
హలో సార్.
Yes, please.
నాకు 2 డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్. ఒకటి
Sure, Andy.
వర్క్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ పాసిబిలిటీస్ గురించి చెప్పండి. ఇంకోటి
Yeah.
ప్రియర్ ఒరాకిల్ ఫ్యూజన్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేకుండా హౌ డిఫికల్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టు గెట్ ఇంటు యువర్ ఫస్ట్ జాబ్?
Okay, question number 1 Andy. Work from home opportunities are there. You have to choose Andy. So when you are upload your resume in the Naukri profile, so recruiters will call you Andy. That time you need to call out whether the opportunity is for work from home or work from office or it is a hybrid model. We have a options only. So some clients want to work in the work from office. Some clients are giving work from home opportunities. Few companies like MNC companies like Accenture, Deloitte, TCS, they're offering hybrid mode only. It's like the company you are choosing, depending on that, we have to work on it, either work from home or office. We have options available in the market.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And second question, sorry, can you come again?
Without any prior experience in this
Okay,
Oracle
cool.
Fusion
Got
Financial,
it. Yeah. Without suppose X person is there, he passed out in the 2021 and so far he or she don't have any experience. But still, if you gone through this training and daily classes, okay, definitely they will succeed and without prior knowledge also.
అంటే నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే అండి, ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏమీ లేకుండా ఇంటర్వ్యూ కాల్స్ వస్తాయా?
ఓకే, మీరు చెప్పేది జీరో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తోటి అడుగుతున్నారా? ఫ్రెషర్ జాబ్స్.
ఫ్రెషర్ జాబ్స్ అంటే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది, దీని మీద లేదు, వేరే ఫినాన్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్
సపోజ్ మీరు నార్మల్ ఫినాన్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో వర్క్ చేస్తారు, ఓకే, లైక్ జెన్పాక్ లో వర్క్ చేస్తారు, లెట్స్ సే 5 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్. సేమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ హియర్ అండి. మీరు ఆర్కిల్ ఫ్యూజన్ ఫినాన్షియల్స్ మీద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వర్క్ చేశారని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు అండి, సేమ్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ వాడి. సో దర్ ఈస్ నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి. ప్లస్ మీకున్న ఫినాన్స్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుందండి. ప్రాసెస్ విల్ బి సేమ్ కదండి, ఓన్లీ జస్ట్ అప్లికేషన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్.
ఓకే.
Yeah, the process, whatever the process, core process will be the same. Maybe you worked on different applications, but so end of the day, when you do something, and actually we are coming into trial and balance, right? Or balance sheet, the business will call out. Yeah. Yeah. It is easy, and so many people are, coming from those backgrounds and get placed into this job. So many BPOs, so many non-IT sector people, yeah, move out from their backgrounds and placed settled in the Oracle Fusion Financials.
What about daily support if we get stuck somewhere, if you have any doubts on practicing an instance? So is there any online WhatsApp group is there to support us?
Yeah. We have a group chat. You can ping whenever you got stuck. That help will be always there, and we are most welcome to ask the questions. If you are asking questions, then only you are learning more.
What about expenses?
Your voice is a little cracking, Andy. If you don't mind, can you speak louder?
What about expenses module?
I'm not getting you, Andy. కొంచెం మీ వాయిస్ సరిగా లేదు.
What about expenses module?
Expenses module also I can cover, Andy, in the last, not in the primary. Since first core modules we have to cover, in the last I can cover extra stuff. I can give you intercompany expenses. It's just a reimbursement tool and reimbursement module, where if your employees, when you travel for the business purpose, the accommodation related, right, travel related, all those expenses, they are going to raise a request to get reimbursement, and that's it. Nothing much is happening there. But how you are handling the expense module, that we need to call out in the sessions. I will cover, and no need to worry.
Yes. Hello, sir. So I want to know about
Your voice is so sorry. Your voice is very low.
Okay. Can you able to hear me now?
Yeah, Shivaram, little more, please.
Yeah. So I want to understand about what kind of intercompany will be covered. It can be like uploading templates, like those kind of things, are only related to the functional things only will cover. Something technical also will be there for
No. As I mentioned, we are not going to teach you any technical here.
Okay.
Since our job role is Fusion Financial Functional Consultant only. First, we have to focus on functional things. Technical things, little 5 to 10% will impact. Okay. So as you mentioned, intercompany is totally functional stuff, no, where the technical knowledge is not required. we will have some simple module called intercompany module. There we have 5 to 7 configurations to manage the module. Yeah,
Okay.
not required any technical knowledge.
Okay, I need to ask is like it's not purely technical development kind of thing. See, what and all is required for to support backend user. See, for example,
Backend.
backend
See,
user.
what kind of support required means we may need to write some simple queries to extract the data where in the front end the data is not able to pull out. You can use your ChatGPT and generate the code, or if it required, you can connect with your technical consultant. Technical consultant usually will help us.
Yeah. Okay. And
Most of the case, technical consultant will be there, Andy, for every project. We no need to be worried about it. We can take the help. So their scope of job is very less nowadays. They are working on BIP reports only most of the times.
now
Technical
it's
knowledge.
techno-functional like that it is coming now.
Okay, if you want to become a technical consultant, techno-functional, then you should expand your knowledge, Andy. But I am not an expert here to teach you the technical knowledge, to be frank with you. But little technical knowledge only I am also having in my total experience. I did not become a techno-functional. Okay. But if you want to become a techno-functional, first you have to be sure about the finance functional area. Then you can look for technical. Or if you are already a technical, then you can look for the finance functional. It's up to you how you want to switch.
Nothing
But
about this.
here the many things are there in the finance functional area to learn and first. So that is our key focus. Yeah.
Okay.
But wherever it is required, you can call me out. I can try to help you out.
Okay, sure, definitely. See,
If I don't know also, I can explore myself and I'll teach you. Nothing to worry about it.
Okay. And one more question is like, what kind of projects it will be like? It's implementation projects. I understand from your vision.
Yeah, nowadays, yeah, no, I got your
Migration kind of
question.
thing is anything is there? I just want.
Yeah, of course. See, sometimes you might be placed for only data migration activity. So that is again depending on the client requirement. And suppose we are going to teach you entire cycle, entire phases there in the implementation cycle. Okay. But few clients recruit only for the BPM related or data migration related, okay, or configuration related activities. Or they want to work on only FRS report, right? So they will call out, and when recruiter is going to call you and schedule the interview calls, they will give you JDs and job description. Okay. In the job description, they will clearly mention your job role. Okay. So there are, whatever the JD is referring the points, key process that we need to check. And sometimes what will happen for MNC companies, they will recruit for one project, they will place you into another project. That also will happen. Since that will happen. So we don't know, Andy. So that's why we are covering entire life cycles. Yeah, like implementation project, what you are going to do, what are the process we have to follow, what are the documents we have to follow, what are the phases we have. Is there any SIT, UAT phases and all, go live, how we are doing the cutover activities? Yeah, how we are pulling the data from the legacy system, right? What approach we used to follow, isn't it? What kind of invoices we have to call out, part of data migration. Yeah. And how we are capturing the requirements. Okay. Everything will call out in this sessions, Andy, the real-time sessions, and support life cycle, like what kind of tools we are using for getting the tickets from the clients, right? What are the ticket status available, right? And what is the SLA, how we are working on the tickets. If it is impacted issue, then how we are going to act immediately, and whether we need to communicate to that your team leader, manager, depending on the issue, and what are the possible scenarios, right? And if any application bugs, how you are going to call out, and whether you are going to create any service request with the Oracle company, right? If any application is down, if many of the users are impacted with same issue, right? How you are communicating with your GL team or AP team respectively, depending on the functionality, right? And how you are capturing these QPB features how you are going to analyze on quarterly basis if you are part of support project, right? How you are going to present these features to the client. Yeah. So many things are there, Andy. So we will cover everything for your knowledge purpose, but when you are getting placement, you are not going to work on everything, Andy. So you are going to work on one topic only. But as a finance functional consultant, we should know each and everything. Then only we will be in a safe place, Andy. So
Okay.
if
Thank
something
you.
is getting that is new, then that will be a call out. You will say like, I did not get this train properly. So that's why we are going to cover everything.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for detailed explanation.
No problem. But whatever the classes topics we are covering, right? Day by day, it will be increasing for you. So that's why we are recording the sessions and provide you the access as well. So whenever it is required, you can go and recheck. Okay.
Okay.
And
The access
maintain the
will be
running
for
notes.
life, na? It will be like one time or
We
few
can give
months.
you and we can give you and that is not a problem. We can give you the access.
Thank you. Thank you. So you told about, is there any issues while at the time of class only, or after placement also, if you have any issues, you can able to post
You can
in WhatsApp
Andy.
group?
You can. It's not a one time help.
Okay. Okay.
We will connect lifetime till your retirement. No problem. But I will say one thing, right? So whenever we have a bandwidth, free bandwidth, always we can help and or else you can, if you are struggling after placement, you can come down and if you are doing your
Yeah.
job by yourself, and if you are struggling to do something, unable to complete the task, you can come to our institute at day. We can definitely help you out. Or
Because
if you
I'm in
need,
Bangalore,
no.
so they just
Right, I got your
about
point.
that.
Yeah. We have a candidates from Bangalore also. I will tag you few people, so they will help you out.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
So we have all in Bangalore, Chennai, other locations also. We have a friends, so nothing to worry. In offices also we have.
Initially
All
joined
support.
only, there will be some, will be there some 1 or 2 months. It will be very difficult if you are from.
Right. I know the pain, my
That
friend.
support is required actually.
Right. I will tag you. Suppose if you join in Deloitte, if you're struggling something, you need a full-time support, then I can assign the person accordingly. Or if you need a part-time support, we will think and discuss accordingly. We will tag you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Internally also, we will have a persons who are experienced. They are already working in. So
Because
I'll ask them to help you out.
I'm already working in Oracle as a backend.
Oh, okay.
Probably, I just want to move within the Oracle.
I got it. You can sustain easily. You might need very little help. I can do that. No problem at all.
Yeah, thank you so much. Is there anything you will be explain about the certification kind of thing?
Certification.
No,
So
not
earlier,
support. Is like if you explain about
I'm
company
coming
certification.
to that only. You see, like till last year, not last year also, till March, we have a feasibility to help 100% support today. Without you, suppose if you want to do certification, I can do on
Okay.
behalf of you, right? 100%. You don't need to worry about it. But now they have made full restrictions and so I will catch up with you later.
Yes,
Full
yes.
restrictions means I can't able to see or control your system.
Because few companies they're offering certification for the free of.
Certifications they are offering. How to write, I'm
If you
speaking,
explain
okay?
little bit about this orally something and all, if you tell.
I can give you the dumps related to the certification if you want to try the old dumps
Okay.
we have. I can share with that. Okay. So little help. If you want any help, then we'll check in offline and
Sure.
how to help.
Thank you.
Earlier we have full help. We can give 100% help, but now it is difficult. Oracle also upgraded with AI.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Right.
No, we don't have your number. We have only.
No, this is my number. Second number is mine.
Okay, Raju's number only we have in the group.
This is second number.
Okay, sure.
8977498944.
Okay, sure.
We
Thank
both are same, Andy. We both are same. We both are trainers.
you.
Okay,
Okay.
well experienced. You can contact anyone anytime.
Oh,
So
okay.
no such obligations. But you can directly contact me anytime
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
through WhatsApp or normal calls. If I am busy, little busy, then I will respond as soon as. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Since I am also working person, sometimes I'll be stuck in meetings.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I will respond. Nothing to
Thank
write.
Thank you for the long time. Thank you.
No
Sorry,
problem.
I took so
No,
much
no, no,
time.
no, no. It is required. That is the called demo session.
Okay.
It's not a daily session. We call it as demo.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, Andy.
Hi, Andy.
So I have a doubt. Basically, I don't have any experience in finance or any other things. So is it a good choice for me to come into this field because I belong to a complete different field that is media. So I'm planning to just change my career. So how difficult it is going to be for me, and will I have any scope to complete the interviews and all of that? So I'm just confused to even pick or not. So that's my major question here. So how
Yeah.
difficult it is going to be? Will I
Yeah.
understand this or not?
Got your point. May I know your education background, actually?
My education background is completely related to media. So it's
Media.
yeah,
Okay.
mass communication. So I have an experience of 4 years, but that's completely related to content moderation, and I've worked for Meta.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I have no experience in this. Basically, most of the terms that you have used, I didn't even understand. I have to again search. So how difficult it's going to be.
See, most of the terms means like if you have any business process idea, Andy, like if you are suppose you are running any company, right? If you are buying something or do sell something, right? How you are maintaining your accounts? I have to record the transactions, right? So those transactions only we are recording in this application, and how you want to record, how you are maintaining those things, we are going to take care as a IT consultant.
Okay.
Like invoice, I want to generate and a purchase invoice. How to generate the purchase invoice? What are all the details I have to capture? Okay, like our bank account details to be print, right? Our address to be print, all those details how to print, we have to do some configuration. So that kind of process we are going to follow here. So with respect to experience wise, I will catch up with you only one to one. We'll discuss. I got your point. It takes some more time to explain. Not here. I can call you after the session.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
No problem. Any other questions from anyone, Andy? No problem. If you are hesitate to put any questions here, you can call me out, Andy, to my number after the session. We will discuss, Andy. This is my number 8977498944. You can message me, Andy. I will call you.
హలో
Yes, sir. Yeah, Mahendra. Yeah.
అది ఆఫ్లైన్ బ్యాచ్ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది?
ఆఫ్లైన్ బ్యాచ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఒకటి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. దాంట్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు మహేంద్ర. ఒక
ఓకే
1 వీక్ అయింది.
22nd
22nd నుంచి ఆన్లైన్ బ్యాచ్ మహేంద్ర. మీకు ఆఫ్లైన్ కావాలి అంటే మీరు వచ్చేయండి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కి, నేను చెప్తాను.
ఓకే
నువ్వు కాల్ చేయ మహేంద్ర నాకు తర్వాత.
ఓకే
ఆల్ రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Okay, Andy. Thank you so much, everybody. So we are having YouTube channels, WhatsApp web channels also. We used to share the content as much as possible through diagrammatic way, different ways to feed the students. So our main focus and motto will be educate the working employees and the students to get placed in their careers with the best knowledge. And it's not only commercial, it's purely on education.
సార్ ప్రజెంట్ కాల్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి సార్ ఒరాకిల్ క్లౌడ్ ఫినాన్షియల్స్ పైన ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఏమన్నా కాల్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఇప్పుడు?
Calls ఉన్నాయండి. I will give you the interview group also. We are maintaining like around 50 members. We have students. Like daily we are attending the interviews. Like yesterday also we attended 3 interviews.
ఓకే.
Today also at 2:30 p.m. From the Persistent System company we have a interview.
ఓవరాల్ గా వర్క్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆఫీస్ ఓన్లీ హోమ్ అండ్
I
రిమోట్?
can't say 100%. Few companies will offer you work from home. Few companies will offer you hybrid, depending on the company. And
ఓకే. ఓకే.
we can't commit that.
ఓకే, షూర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Even I am doing work from home only. Most of the people are looking for work from homes. Yeah, opportunities are there.
ఎస్ ఎస్ ఎస్.
Anybody else? Anything you want to ask? తెలుగులోనే అడగొచ్చండి ఇంకా
సార్ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు మామూలుగా సపోర్టింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏమైనా వచ్చిందనుకోండి, మనకు వాటి గురించి ఐడియా ఉండదు అసలు. మామూలుగా టూల్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, జీరా కానీ తర్వాత సర్వీస్ నౌ కానీ, వాటి గురించి అసలు ఏం ఐడియా ఉండదు. బట్ స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇమ్మీడియట్గా వర్క్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆఫీస్ అన్నారనుకోండి, మనం ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేయగలుగుతామండి?
వెల్ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. బట్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ నేను ఆల్రెడీ కవర్ చేశాను, మళ్ళీ కవర్ చేస్తాను. సపోర్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లైఫ్ సైకిల్లో ఎటువంటి టూల్స్ వాడతారు, టికెట్స్ ఎలా వస్తాయి, ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి, వాట్ ఆర్ ద రూల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ ఫర్ ద సపోర్ట్ ఇంజనీర్ టు ద క్లయింట్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. యూ నో నీడ్ టు వరీ.
ఓకే. ఓకే. అంటే ఈవెన్ మనకు
యా, డే 1 నుంచి మీరు ఎటువంటి ఇష్యూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేస్తారో నేను ప్రతిదీ కాల్ అవుట్ చేస్తానండి.
ఓకే. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah, I know that what you are trying to ask.
Yes, yes.
I'll share one video also. I have already published a little video about this content only in the YouTube.
Okay, okay,
You can
okay.
ping me. Yeah, I
Yes,
know
yes.
the students' problems, and since I also came from the same area, okay, same
Okay.
stage. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
I'm not going to give any pains to anyone.
Yes, yes. Mm. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Andy. No problem. Any more questions, Andy?
ఓఐసి గురించి ఏమైనా ఇంక్లూడ్ అయి ఉంటుంది సార్ ఇందులో ఫంక్షనల్?
నో నో నో, ఓఐసి మనకు టచ్ ఉండదు. బట్ ఓఐసి ఎక్కడన్నా మనము ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఫంక్షనల్ నాలెడ్జ్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని వాళ్ళకి ఏదన్నా సపోర్ట్ కావాలంటే మనం సపోర్ట్ చేస్తాం 100%. ఎందుకంటే ఓఐసి ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు యాక్ట్ యాజ్ ఏ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కదా, రైట్, బిట్వీన్ ద డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్స్. ఇఫ్ డేటా ఈస్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద థర్డ్ పార్టీ సిస్టమ్ టు us, okay, if it is stuck in somewhere, or if OIC people are not checking properly, suppose the payment file you sent, right, it is going via OIC to bank, but payment is not made in the bank, but we have made in the application. So we are thinking file is generated, but this OIC people did not check properly. I'm telling you about the issue, simple issue. Right,
Okay.
we will call out the OIC people, we'll share the file name with them. Boss, please check whether this file is received in your OIC integration or not. That access also we don't have, and it will be a licensed access. So technically OIC specialist only, they'll able to log in and check, they will confirm. That kind of checks we have to do at them. That I will cover this thing only. But OIC knowledge we are not going to have, since it is different altogether.
Okay. Okay.
We will have separate consultant kada, OIC also.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh. ఈ మధ్య ఎఫ్ఆర్ఎస్ గురించి కూడా బాగా అడుగుతున్నారు కదా సార్.
I am going to teach you. I mentioned already FRS. How to manage FRS report if you are in the support project. If any end user or accountant is raising any ticket for the FRS report, is not getting, not getting the data or getting some errors, how to check, or if they want to modify the report, how to modify, I will show you. Or if you want to create a new FRS, you can how to create. That also will cover. So FRS also, yes, nowadays it is asking many people.
Yes.
OTBA also, I will show you how to create it.
OTBA and BI reports also, sir?
BI, no, BI not. BI required 90% technical knowledge.
Oh, BI report, okay.
This OTBA and FRS not required only. That's why I'm going to cover in the last.
SQL knowledge అవసరం అండి. SQL knowledge కూడా
SQL knowledge will be required only for BAP, not for OTBA or FRS.
Okay.
Yeah? Here you are going to do drag and drop only. Whatever the subject areas available, those we can use and drag and drop. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. All right, Andy. Thank you so much for joining the session. We will catch up later, Andy, from 22nd June. Yeah. If anyone have any questions, Andy, don't hesitate. You can call me out through WhatsApp or normal call, or you can message me also. I'm going to close this call, Andy. If anyone have any doubts, please raise your hand. Otherwise, we can drop off. Yes, someone asking something.
ఎస్ సార్, యాక్చువల్గా నాకు 5.5 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది ఆరాకిల్ ఈబిఎస్ పైన. అంటే యాజ్ ఏ ఎండ్ యూజర్, అంటే ఫినాన్స్ అండ్ అకౌంట్స్గా వర్క్ చేశాను కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కంపెనీలో. బట్ ఉన్నది ఓవరాల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇస్ 13 years, బట్ ఓన్లీ 5.5 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇస్ జెన్యున్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎట్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కంపెనీ. సో మరి మళ్ళీ రిమైనింగ్ గ్యాప్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి లాస్ట్ 3 years నుంచి. మరి ఇది పెట్టుకోవచ్చా, మరి జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చా ఇది?
ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ 5 years మీ జెన్యున్ కదండి.
అంటే లాస్ట్ 5 years అంటే 2022 వరకు జెన్యున్ అండి, 5 years వరకు. రిమైనింగ్ కూడా డాక్యుమెంట్స్ లేవు నాకు అట్లని. ఓన్లీ 5.5 years.
లేటెస్ట్ కంపెనీ గురించి అడుగుతున్నారా
ప్రీవియస్ గురించి అడుగుతున్నాను.
ప్రీవియస్ ది ఇంతకు ముందు మీరు డాక్యుమెంట్స్ పెట్టుకొని జాయిన్ అయి ఉంటారండి, అవునా? అవి మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు పెట్టడానికి కుదరదు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వరు అంత లాంగ్ గ్యాప్ లో. ఓకే, అవి డాక్యుమెంట్స్ మళ్ళీ చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలండి. విల్ గివ్ యూ అండి.
ఓకే, షూర్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay, guys, if no questions, so we can drop off. I will close this call. You can call me anytime if you have any doubts. I will upload this recorded demo and give you the access as well. Furtherly, if you have any doubts or questions, you can watch this session again. Thank you so much, guys. Happy weekend. Bye-bye. We'll meet on 22nd June.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.